Hello and welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to give you this walk around video on this T6.1 Transporter. This is in pure grey, and this is a pre-owned camper that we converted from new in 2021, and the owner's now decided to upgrade to a new one. It's only got 14,000 miles, built to our Pioneer Go with lots of extras. You can see you've got the Eberspacher heater on this, sink hob, fridge, TV, single seats, upholstered in full leather with full seating. We've also got the Reimo Awning Rail on this on the side. It is a tailgate model with the Fireman bike rack as well fitted on there. The van itself has got rear parking sensors, air conditioning, cruise control. We've also got Apple CarPlay. It's in fantastic condition, been well looked after. Some exterior styling on there as well, some alloys, sidebars, and front splitter as well. Thanks very much for watching.